सीधी बात है, ठीक है। ओके,
तो आपने जो बात की, मैं समझने की गरज से पूछ रहा हूँ कि जिस तरह जापान और चीन की मिसाल दी, तो आप दैट काइंड ऑफ सजेस्ट कि देयर इज समथिंग, सम इनहेरेंट फैक्टर with the civilizations that you mentioned which makes them act in this way.
well, I think, look,
And which points
my
back
own
to your
view
earlier
is that
argument
there is
कि
a problem in
that conversion from faith to ideology,
Well,
जो कि
conversion
चीनी और
is-
जापानियों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी.
Yeah, but in my view, this is one of the few places and few areas of thought where I would use the category Asiatic. Asian civilizations have had a different worldview about how to deal with the question of power, and there I would include India and I would include China.
उसमें
and I
मुसलमानों को भी
would,
शामिल करेंगे आप एशियन में?
no, the reason being because Islam shares far too much in terms of monotheism with the Judeo-Christian tradition. This is a fundamental problem, and so this is my reading now.
ठीक है.
With monotheistic faiths.
As I see it,
Yeah.
with monotheistic religion or relatively younger religion की juvenile behavior है ये, if I may put it that way.
Well, in a manner of
other
speaking, in a manner of speaking, that's true. In a manner of speaking, that's true. That there is a conception of wisdom which does not come through the kind of monotheistic worldview that developed in the Judeo-Christian/Islamic view. But उसमें भी modulations हैं, because the Ottoman Empire, from my point of view, is a very interesting illustration of an empire that did not, in fact, actually practice outright discrimination. But that has to do with the fact that it's an empire. Empires are much more liberal. See, we use the word empire much more colloquially now, जैसे हमने कहा ये American empire है. Empires can accommodate tension. And they have learned how to do that for
Like
a very
British
long period of
Empire.
time.
Achha, you were talking about China and Japan. Can we go back to that for a minute? I mean, as an example of, you know, people who
Yeah.
didn't abuse their power or didn't go after.
But of course, later on that changes. Later on that changes. It changes when Japan opens itself up to the West in the 19th century. When the Meiji Restoration comes in, Japan is going to be transformed.
But in the past, when you said why did they put down the sword? Why?
Well, it's a renunciation of power.
Why?
Why? Because there are civilizations that believe that you do not, in fact, actually achieve anything through conquest.
वो mature हो गई है ना वो.
But this was deep in their culture.
It is.
Samurai.
And
all that.
that is why the course of Japanese history after the Meiji Restoration in the mid-19th century is vastly different.
अच्छा,
But
ये
then it
बताएं-
has come under the rubric of the West already.
अच्छा, ये बताएं
Yeah.
कि जो आपका था चाइना और जापान की मिसाल, आपको और मिसालें मिलती? फॉर एग्जांपल लैटिन अमेरिका में बड़े बड़े पुराने स्पिरिचुअल ग्रुप्स या रिलीजन्स हैं, वहाँ पे
Trying to talk about
behave.
what happened in South America, the Caribbean, and all of these. पहली बात तो है, the native civilizations in all of these areas were decimated, absolutely decimated.
नहीं, अपने टाइम ऑफ फरूज में
By the Spaniards.
नहीं अपने
the Spaniards.
in their time of Aztecs and Mayans
तो
and
मेरी बात तो
God,
सुनिए ना,
उन्होंने क्या किया?
आप एस्टेक्स के रिकॉर्ड कहाँ से लाएंगे?
कहाँ से लाएंगे?
आप लाएंगे कहाँ से?
Records नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता.
You don't have anything to go by. I mean, you look at the Caribbean, the native Carib population is wiped out. You go to Jamaica, you go to Trinidad, Barbados, all of these places.
Michael Wood.
The fight is between Africans and Indians, both of whom are imported.
Okay.
There, I mean, if anybody tells you, because ये problem है Black Caribbean में, the view sort of implicitly is that they are the inheritors of the land. वो कहाँ से inherited हैं? They were brought there as slaves. Then the Indians are brought over to Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad, Guyana, Suriname, and other places as indentured labor in the 19th century. अब Trinidad में आप देख लें, the big fight is between Afro-Trinidadians and Indo-Trinidadians. गयाना में भी ये किस्सा है, सुरीनाम में भी ये किस्सा है.
तो नेटिव्स का क्या हुआ?
खत्म हो गए, मार दिए.
किसने?
Europeans. Who else?
And they deliberately destroyed the history.
Through
Just to give you a little example, you know, Michael Woods, the guy who did the thing on India, but he did about 15 years ago a series on civilizations, and one was the Aztec civilization, and there was and he filmed Cortez is the guy who went to Mexico, right?
Yeah.
So Cortez, when he came, you know, so apparently in the Aztec they had this kind of a belief that some guy is going to come from across the ocean, who's going to look like different, and he is some kind of god, So they thought he had come. So when they had come and they destroyed the thing, and where the king was killed, that place, he went to the exact spot, and there's a big Mexico City ka jo general hospital is now built on that very spot. And he went to the morgue, and supposedly the morgue is the area where the actual king's, where he came and surrendered to the thing. So the reason I brought it up is to say that they just completely demolished everything. So there's no records, so we don't know really what happened, so we can, it was...
They didn't even have, most of them didn't even have writing systems.
Right.
Yeah, well, you don't have, that's not true of the Indians, the Japanese and the Chinese. You're talking about very complex civilizations that have writing systems, Right? The Incas jo hain, ya Aztecs hain, all of these, you don't have writing systems really. That sort where you can say, this is the manner in which they organized their society. Yeah, they're conjectures, but everything that you're doing is you're looking through the colonial text completely. It's a colonial archive.
So they have become like a realpolitik. They don't give a shit about what they're doing, what the impact of their actions are.
But that I don't. Of course but that's Japan is even. The brutalities that Japan inflicted in the 20th century. They match that of anybody that you can think of. The idea is not that they are always going to be that way, but then we'd have to look at when did the transformations in Japanese society really start taking place, And that doesn't also mean, by the way, that there were not forms of inequality and injustice. There are obviously class structures. This whole idea of the shogun, which has been romanticized, but there was an absolute hierarchy between the shogunate and the Tokugawas, for example, and those who were working on the fields, Right? But there are also limits to oppression that are recognized. At some point, these limits disappear.
I'm reading Kuratula chapter
River of Fire.
Our period. It's very interesting.
Enjoy, okay?
I read 3 of them.
I said we don't want any wine. दिनों रात आई विश मुझे पता होता तो मेरा अपना बाजा आ जाता. नहीं ले लो. नहीं इसमें ये लिखा हुआ. आज रात मैंने गाने अगले का गाने प्रोग्राम नहीं है. फौरी तौर पे पकड़ ले उनको. अगला ने कहा था
Okay, let the guys sing, please.